Good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Shall we begin the session? Today's topic is chapter number 8, Java Basic Operators. What are the various Java Basic Operators that is used, or what are the various operators that is used in the Java programming, that is the Java Basic Operators. Now, Java provides a rich set of operators, that means a huge set of operators, combination of operators to manipulate a variable. We can divide all the Java operators into the following groups. First is arithmetic operators, and there is a relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator. So these are the various operators that is used over here. So one is arithmetic operators, one is a relational operators, bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and at last there is a miscellaneous operator. Now let's start with the first one, that is the arithmetic operator, that includes addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So basic operators, we can say basic data that we can say that is known as the arithmetic operator. So they are used in the mathematical expression in the same way they are used in the algebra. And this is the table that shows how to use arithmetic operators. Now assume integer variable a holds 10 and the variable b holds 20. Then plus operator, that is addition, a plus b gives the 30. Then subtraction, that means a minus b, that will give the minus 10, because 10 minus 20 is the negative value, that is minus 10. Then multiplication, that multiplies values on either side of the operators. Then division, that divides left hand operand by the right hand operand, that is b upon a, that gives the value as a 2. So one is addition, one is a subtraction, multiplication, division. Then there is a modulus operator, that means to find out the remainder we have to use the modulus operator, that is b modulus a. So when I divide the b modulus a, for example the 20 modulus 10, that gives the value as a that gives the modulus as a 0. Why? Because the remainder of the 10 divided by or 20 divided by 10 is 0. 10 to the 20, 10 into 2 is 20, and the remainder is always 0. Then there is an increment, then there is a decrement operator. So increment means increases the value operand by 1. Decrement means decreases the value operand by 1. Now this is one of the example that demonstrate how to use arithmetic operators. Now yes, it starts with the public class test. One of the classes declare as a test. Then public static void main string args int a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals 25, d equals 25. So these are the four variables that is declared. That is declared as a that is initialized with some values. A equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to 25, then d equals to 25. Then system.out.println a plus b is a plus b. That means it is when we are using a plus b, that is equals to the a plus b. That means we are storing, we are representing, we are showing, we are displaying the value with the use of the plus a plus b. Then system.out.println a minus b. Then again it is showing as a value as a plus a minus b. Then a into b, a multiplied by b, that is also used as a plus a into b. Then b divided by a, b modulus a, c modulus a plus plus. Everything is available. That means every arithmetic operator is available over here. First is the addition, then there is a subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, then a plus plus, that is the increment, b minus minus, that is the decrement. Now check the difference between the d plus plus and the plus plus d. This will produce the output as a plus b equal to 30, then minus 10, 200, 2, 0, 5, then 10, 11, 25, then plus plus d equals to 27. This is the relational operator that is used. There are following relational operators that is supported by the Java language. For example, or we assume the variable a holds 10 and the variable b holds 20. Check if the value of the two operators or operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. This is a equals to b is not equal to true. That is a relational operator. That means for checking the equality, we are using the double equals to sign. So we are checking if the values of the two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true, otherwise the condition becomes false. Then next is check if the value of the two operands value are equal or not. If the values are not equals to 0 or if values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. So check if the value of the two operands are equal or not. Then check if the value of the left hand operator is greater than the right hand operator. This is the greater than sign. We are checking for the left hand operator that is greater than the value of the right hand operator. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Then less than, check if the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. This is again the less than. So one is a greater than, one is a less than. Then checks if the value of the left operand is greater than or equals to value. This is the greater than equals to. This is a sign of the greater than equals to. That means we are checking the equality as well as the equals to. The left hand side operator or the left hand side operand is either equal or greater than the right hand side operator. For example, 4 is greater than equals to 4, or if A is greater than equals to B and A is also containing the 4 value, B is containing the 4 value, that also the condition is also true, because 4 is equals to 4, and yes, this is true in case of the 4, 5 and above 4, or that means more than the 4 values. This is less than equals to. So one is a double equals to, one is a not equals to, then greater than, less than equals to, and the greater than equals to. This is one of the program that shows or that demonstrate what are the various or that demonstrate the various operators, that is various logical operators we can say. So one is a 10 20, A equals to B, A is not equals to B, A is greater than B, A is less than B, B is less than equals to A, B is greater than equals to A. A and B have a value 10 and the 20. First of all, let's check the condition. 10 is equals to 20. The condition is not true because 10 is not equals to 20, but 10 is equal to the 10. So the answer is false. Then A is not equals to B. That means 10 is not equals to 20. The condition is also, yeah, condition is true because 10 is not equals to 20 in second case. Then A is greater than B. That means 10 is greater than 20. Condition is true. No, condition is not true because 20 is greater than 10. Not the 10 is greater than 20, but the 10 is less than 20. Condition is, or the answer is a false. Then A is less than B, true. Then B is greater than equals to A. Now checking the B condition on the left hand side operators. Now 20 is equals to or greater than 10. Yeah, 20 is greater than 10 but not equals to, but yeah, we are checking both. We are checking both the conditions, greater and the equals. 20 is greater. The output is again true. Then B is less than equals to A. Output is false. Then next is a bitwise operator. So one is arithmetic, one is a logical, next one is a bitwise operator that works or that can be applied on the integer values long and short, char and the byte. And this works on the bits and performs bit by bit operation. For example, if I assume A equals to 60, B equals to 13. Now, when we say about the binary format, when we convert the 16 to binary, this is 00111100. Then B equals to 13. This is again converted into the 8 zeros. If I use A and B, this is the A and B. That means in all the cases, if both the conditions are true, that means 0, 1. This is 0. Why? Because yes, if both the conditions are true, then only the output is well, otherwise it is false. Then A or B, either one of the input is 1, then the output is 1. So this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then A not B on negation of the A. That is the opposite or complement of A. These are the various bitwise operator that is used. One is a binary AND operator, one is a binary OR operators, one is a XOR operator, one's complement, that is a negation. Then binary left shift operator, binary right shift operator, shift right zero fill operator. This is the program that shows or that demonstrate the bitwise operators, and this compile the program or compile the Java program in the test.java file and compile and run the program. This is the public class test. Public static void main string args a equals to 60, b equals to 13, c equals to 0, c equals to a and b. So we are comparing both a and b. First of all, we have to convert the 60 into binary, 13 into binary, 12 into binary. Now this is the set of the logical operator, assuming the boolean variable a holds the true and the b holds the false. One is a and, one is a or, one is a not. This is a double and, double or, and the not operator. The next one is the assignment operator. So this operator is used to assign the value. One is the equality, or we can say the checking for the equality. That is double equals to. One is only the one is single equals to. That means only single equals to. That is used to assign the values. Assignment operator. For example, if I write a equals to 20, that means 20 values assigned to the a. That is a equals to 20. So this is simple assignment operator, assigns a value from the right hand side operator to the left hand side operator. This is c equals to a plus b, that assigns a value of a plus b into the c. Then at the end, the assignment operator, it adds the right operator to the left hand side operand and assigns the result to the left hand side. This is c plus equals to a, that is c equals to c plus a. Then subtract and assignment operator is subtract the right hand from the left hand side. This is c equals to minus a. This is c equals to c minus a. Then multiply and assignment operator. It multiplies the right operator or the right operand with the left hand side operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Then divide and operator or assignment operator. This divides the left hand operator with the right hand operator and assigns the result to the left operands. In each and every case, in case of the assignment operator, the output will be stored at the left of the operators. And then next is a next is a divide and assignment operator that divides the left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Then modulus and operator, it takes the modulus using the two operands and assigns a result to the left operand. It always assigns the result to the left operand in each and every case. Then left shift and assignment operator, right shift and assignment operator, bitwise and assignment operator, bitwise exclusive OR and assignment operator, then bitwise inclusive OR and assignment operator. This is one of the example that shows the demonstrate for the assignment operators. So one is a public static void main string args int a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to 0, c equals to a plus b, system.out.println, c equals to a plus b, then plus c. That means storing the value within the c. So that means showing the value of the c of the variable c. Then c plus equals to a, c minus equals to a, c into equals to a. Now again it is a value of the 10 and the 15. This is c divided by equals to a. Then next one is a miscellaneous operator. Miscellaneous operator means the extra operator that is available within the Java programming. One is a conditional operator. In this there are there's a condition, then there are two output, either true or the false. That is also known as a ternary operator. This operator consists of the three operands and is used to evaluate the Boolean operators. And the goal is to decide which value should be assigned to the variable and when. So this is variable x equals to expression. Expression means a condition. Then value if true, then colon value if false. So there are two parts of this one. One is a value if true, then colon value if false. And the condition is terminated, or condition is used with the question mark operator. That is expression, value if true, colon value if false. This is the public class test, same example. Then public static void main string args int ab. There are two values, 10, then b equals to a equals to 1. Now, what's the value that is stored in the b? First of all, it checks with the 10. 10 is equals to 1. If the condition is true, output will be 20, otherwise the output will be 30. So 10 is not equals to 1, so the output will be 30. In second case, a is equals to 10. Now 10 is equal to 10, your condition is true, the output is 20. Then instance of operator that is used for the reference or the object reference variable, and this checks whether the object is of a particular type, whether it is of the particular class type or the reference type or interface type. An instance of operator is written as object reference variable instance of class interface type. This is used with a string name equals to James, Boolean result equals to name instance of string, and this will return the true since name is type of the string operators. Then there's this class vehicle that extends the vehicle program. Then precedence of the Java operator. Precedence in the sense which operator will be used first. Then next is the Java looping. There are three types of loop control that is going to, or that is available. So there may be a condition when we want to execute a block or the code of the block several times. Several times means multiple times, and that is known as a looping. So when we say about the loop, that means same code or the bulk of the code or the block of the code is executed multiple times at the same time. And Java has very flexible three looping mechanisms. You can use any of the three looping mechanisms. One is a while loop, one is a do while loop, one is a for loop. And Java also introduces the enhanced for loop, that is the advanced for loop. And these are, these three are the control structure that is used to perform a certain number of tasks, or we can say the specified number of the tasks. This is the syntax. While Boolean expression, this is the statement. When executing, if the Boolean expression result is true, then the action inside the loop will be executed, otherwise it is not executed. So while Boolean expression statements. So public class test, public static void main string args int x equals to 10 while x is greater than, while x is less than 20. System.out.print value of the x is plus x plus plus, and system.out.print /n. This is the output of available over here. Now do while, what is the difference between the while and the do while? While is the entry control loop and do while is the exit control loop. This means that in case of while, the condition is checked at once or at the starting one. In the case of while, in case of do while, the condition is checked at the end of the looping. Then for loop, this is used to control, or that allows you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of the times. And this loop is useful when you know how many times a task is to be repeated. Syntax for a loop is given over here. For initialization, Boolean expression, update. These are the statement that is used. This is the enhanced for loop. For declaration expression, then statement. Declaration means that is of the type constant variable with the elements of the array you are accessing, and these variables are available within the block for value that will be same as you defined for the current array elements. And the expression means that evaluates to the array that you need to loop through, and this expression can be the array variable or the method call that returns an array or that uses an array. So one is a declaration, that means declaring the value like the initialization in the for loop, then expression, that is a condition. Then break keyword, that is used to stop the entire loop. This keyword must be used inside any loop or the switch statement. Then continue. In case of continue,